guys, it's Scott here at GHL Growth Tools. Just want to give you a quick overview on what happens after you install the app. This is basically going to, after you select here, you're going to select your agency, and after your agency, it's going to go through its process. Give it about 5, 6, 7 seconds to authorize that, and then it's going to auto-generate you your free account, which will end up in the dashboard like this. And from here, you can click on the Make app, which will allow you to, for the free account, for your free sub account, to install this into your Make library. So you just click here and that'll make it available into your Make. After selecting that, you can hop over to your Make account and create a new scenario. And just to give you a quick overview on the difference, a lot of people ask what's the difference between the Make native high-level app and the GHL Growth Tools, which is us app, is that Make has about maybe 15 endpoints in here, and they usually do not add any more unless they get enough votes for somebody to request another endpoint. We're inside this stuff every day. We're inside the Slack group with the developers. We're constantly adding to the app, adding functionality to the app, and making it easier for you, more efficient, and saving operations. Anything we can do to tweak it, we're adding it, and we have going on like over 200 endpoints now in here. So these are all the endpoints you get on the business object. You can see all these. I'll just scroll through these real quick. Don't want to make the video too long. All the calendar stuff, creating appointments, creating calendars, calendar events, free slots, calendar groups, calendar resources, teams, campaigns, contacts. We got upsert, create, conversations, courses, custom fields, custom values, files and folders, you name it, it's in here. If it's in the API, it's in here, and then some forms, surveys, funnels, redirects, invoicing, invoice schedules, invoice templates, location stuff, media libraries, messages, on and on and on, notes, it just keeps going, opportunities, anything that you can do in the API, payments, orders, payments, social media, we just added, pipeline, products, pricing, social planner, creating social media through the API, social media post, categories, tags for the planner, surveys, task, templates, trigger links, users, and then we have some other workflows, and we have some other custom stuff inside of here. If you're seeing these are private, that's just because it's in my account, and we've either upgraded the modules so they don't show anymore because we don't want to show the old ones. We didn't want to mess up anybody's flows. So there's some of that stuff is testing and stuff like that. But the entire API is in here. Just like to show you how to get started, but it's in the back in the marketplace. Sorry, back in your account. So if you land here, you're going to click here to install that under the Make app. You can create a new scenario. You're going to search for the GHL OAuth 2.0, which will bring you up this. And then from here, this is the webhook module. So let me just show you that real quick. We have all these different instant triggers, so you don't have to create workflows. You can watch for these directly from here. You don't have to set up anything in your account. The contacts, notes, conversations, campaigns, appointments. So you can listen for one or all of these: appointment updated, appointment deleted, appointment created. We just added the pricing, the products. So you've got products updated, deleted, created, tasks, orders, you name it. Anything that's in the API, any webhooks available, we add them as they add them to their API. For getting connected to your free sub account, that is in the dashboard here. When you land here, it just gives you the 1, 2, 3 steps here. So you follow these steps. But it's very easy. You're going to click on your master API key here, which is going to give you that key. And then you're going to reference your customer ID number up here to copy into the Make module. So when you add a new connection, you're adding a new connection here, you'll paste in your API key, your Growth Tools customer number in the top right corner, and then you'll just name your connection that you're going to connect to. Again, you'll see the pop-up, and you'll just select your sub account. And then once you're connected, you'll see any of your sub accounts. Let's see here. Just grab one of these modules here. You'll see those from the drop down here, and you can just select the sub account that you connected to, and then this will load the proper fields. If you need help getting connected, you can just schedule a Zoom here by clicking this link, and this will take you to the scheduler, and we'll get you straightened out and make sure you get connected in your Make account. If you need more than one sub account and you like the app, which I'm sure you will, then you can just come down to my subscription here and then click on the upgrade my subscription, and that'll allow you to upgrade your subscription to get more than one sub account. Most people do the unlimited, and that would give you unlimited sub accounts underneath your one agency. That also comes with the unlimited. Also comes with the agency endpoints, which is a separate app to allow you to create locations, update locations, load snapshots onto a location, a few other dynamic things you can do inside that agency app also. Hope you enjoy the app. Again, when you install it, you'll be sent to this page. Your account will be ready to go. Click on the Make app, install that in your library, follow the steps here. You should be up and running within 5 minutes. And then if you need to schedule an onboarding, you can just click here to do that and schedule that on a calendar here. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.